In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to light mode in Canva. If you've been using Canva in dark mode and want a brighter look, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click. We're keeping it simple and straightforward, so you can follow along in real time. Start from the main dashboard in Canva. This is the home screen you see after signing in, where you'll find your recent designs, templates, and the Create button. If you're inside a specific design, close it or return to the home area so you're on the dashboard. Being on this screen matters because the option you need is located in the dashboard interface. Now, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might display your initials or your profile photo, and it sits just above the edge of the sidebar. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This opens a small menu with options related to your account and preferences. In that menu, find the item labeled Themes. This is where Canva groups your appearance settings. Click Themes to open the theme options. You should see choices that let you control how the interface looks, so you can pick the style that's easiest on your eyes and best suited to your environment. From here, select Light. As soon as you click Light, Canva will switch the interface to light mode. The background and panels will become brighter, text will appear darker and crisper, and the overall look will be easier to read in well-lit spaces. The change happens immediately, so you can instantly see how the dashboard, sidebars, and editor Chrome adopt the lighter appearance. That's all there is to it. You went to the main dashboard, clicked your profile icon in the bottom left, opened Themes, and chose Light. This setting affects the Canva interface, not the colors inside your actual designs, so your projects won't change. If you ever prefer a darker look, just revisit the same themes area and choose the other option the same way. A quick tip for staying organized. After switching, glance around the interface to make sure the new look feels comfortable. Light mode is especially helpful if you work in bright rooms or want a clean, high-contrast canvas for browsing templates and managing brand assets. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to switch Canva to light mode, fast and confidently.